This week, we have been sitting with a hard truth. The higher you go, the less honest information around you becomes. Not because the people around you are dishonest, but because the environment you built, without intending to, made honesty feel risky. Today is about what you actually do with that, not as management strategy, but as a leadership decision. So let's get into today's episode. Most leaders who want more honest feedback try to fix it at the surface level. They run anonymous survey, they open the floor in the meeting, they say, I have an open door policy, and wonders why nobody wants to walk in. Those things do not work because they are treating a cultural problem like a process problem. The reason people stop telling you the truth is not that they lack a channel. It is that somewhere along the way, the truth became costly. Maybe a difficult message was dismissed. Maybe someone who raised a concern was subtly sidelined. Maybe the leader's reaction to bad news made delivering bad news feel dangerous. People are intelligent. They notice and they adjust. You can't fix that with a survey. So here's what actually rebuilds it. The only thing that rebuilds a culture of honest feedback is consistent, visible behavior from the leader over time. Not a single conversation, not an announcement that things are different now. Behavior repeated until the people around you have enough evidence to believe that honesty is genuinely safe. This is where the feedback pillar does its deepest work. Real feedback culture is not built by asking better questions. It is built by responding differently to a hard answer. The next time someone brings you information you don't want to hear, your response in that moment is either building or destroying the culture you say you want. If you thank them genuinely, if you sit with the information instead of defending against it, if you follow up on what they've told you rather than letting it disappear, people notice that too, and they adjust again, this time towards honesty. The leader's role is not to extract truths. Here's the reframe that changes everything. Most leaders think rebuilding honest feedback means getting better and asking people what they really think. But the real work is not extraction. It is creating the conditions where the truth does not need to be extracted because it flows naturally. That requires one thing above everything else. The leader has to be genuinely curious rather than genuinely defensive. Defensive leaders receive information as a verdict on their leadership. Curious leaders receive it as data about the system they are building. The same piece of difficult news land completely differently depending on which posture the leader brings to it. Leaders who have fused their identity with how things are going will always struggle to receive honest feedback because honest feedback about the business feel like honest feedback about them. That's the real blocker, not the process, not the channel. The leader's relationship with their own identity under pressure. So if you want people around you to start telling you the truth again, start with yourself. How do you actually respond when the truth is uncomfortable? What does your body language say when someone raises a concern? What happens to people who bring you problem versus people who bring you polished updates? The culture of honest feedback begins and ends with what you make honesty feel like in the room. Build that consistently and you will not need to ask for the truth. It will find you. If you want to understand where your leadership feedback pillars stand across the Fulfill framework, the Fulfill Executive Skill Assessment will show you in less than 10 minutes. It's completely free. You can grab the assessment link in the show note or the description of this episode. If this episode have really taught you and exposed something you've been dealing with, do well to subscribe and share it with someone who will find it valuable. I want to also use this opportunity to invite you to join the Fulfill Leadership Ecosystem, where you have access to monthly Q&A session, live session, leaders asset vaults, a full community experience, daily strategic leadership insight. We will also audit your leadership style. We can help on a leadership strategy call. You can join now and experience a 7-day free trial to see how things really work. Thank you so much for sticking around for today's episode. I'll see you tomorrow for the next one.